US President Donald Trump said he was placing 25% tariffs on auto imports, a move that the White House claims would foster domestic manufacturing, but could also put a financial squeeze on automakers that depend on global supply chains. Now, the tariffs could be complicated as US automakers source their components from around the world, meaning that they could face higher costs and lower sales. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen described the move as bad for business, worse for consumers, while Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney labelled it as a direct attack on Canadian workers. Meanwhile, shares of automakers fell in after trading hours and the US equity index futures too slid. Let's listen in to what the US President Donald Trump had to say on the whole tariff round.
But this is very exciting to me. This is the automobile industry, and this will continue to spur growth like you haven't seen. Before I was elected, we were losing all of our plants. They were being built in Mexico and Canada and other places. Now those plants largely have stopped and they're moving them to our country.
Sakshi, how have the global markets reacted following Trump's announcement? That's the latest on the tariff.
Well, absolutely. We have seen global markets tumble. We have seen the Nasdaq close lower over 2%, the S&P 500 tumble over 1%, and the Dow closing lower by over 100 points. We have seen Asian markets also witness weakness. Now, why is this happening? Investors do not like unpredictability and uncertainty, and of course, tariffs are bringing just that. The new auto tariffs are bringing just that. They're adding to uncertainty, as well as investors saying, okay, now we have to brace for a new set of tariffs on the auto industry. Now, what does this also show? As we just heard US President Donald Trump, it also shows very, very clearly it is reflecting the fact that he is indeed going ahead with sectoral tariffs. Remember, we have already seen the steel and aluminium 25% tariffs across the board. And now with this fresh announcement on the auto sector, it reflects that he's clearly going ahead with sectoral tariffs. Now, remember, the auto industry, as it were, is already facing these steel and aluminium tariffs. And the big questions that remain are, okay, so are we going to see multiple layers of tariffs on the industry, input costs rising, as well as, of course, what does this mean for manufacturers at large, and what does this mean for the auto industry, auto ancillary firms, and auto workers at large? So really big questions there on, of course, how many times these tariffs will be implemented, what will be the impact on the sector at large, and of course, we can see markets clearly not celebrating this fresh round of tariffs.